Oh, that is so bright. My eyes are already watering. Cool. Hi guys, it's Tani. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a full face using only e.l.f. makeup. I have never tried e.l.f. makeup before in my life. I don't think I have anyway. I was in KMART the other night with my friend Marina, and basically I walked out with a full face of e.l.f. products just because I thought, why not make a video? So I've got a whole bunch of products out in front of me that I have never tried before. Oh, and for those of you who don't know, e.l.f. is a really affordable makeup brand in Australia. I assume they're sold overseas as well. And yeah, I basically just want to put it to the test and see if any of this stuff is actually good and a good bargain. Well, I'm really hoping some of this is good because, actually let me see how much all of this cost. Okay, so my total was $87, but I did buy a toy for my dog, which was $5, and I also bought razors, which were $13. So I spent like $69, I think. Quote me on that. But $69 for all of this is very good. $69 is pretty much the same price as my normal everyday foundation. So if I can do a full face for the price of my foundation, I would be amazed. Anyway, I am just going to stop talking and I think I'm just going to get straight into it. So I think I might start with my eyes. So what I always like to do is use concealer to prep my eyelids. So I am using the e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer. This is in the shade Light. It just looks like this here. I haven't got it out of the box yet though. I have not even checked to see if any of these colors are going to match me, so that's going to be fun. Oh, it's so cute. This shade looks like it'll be pretty good. First thing I notice is the wand is a little bit hard. It's not that comfortable to stub my eye with, and it doesn't have a lot of product coming out, but like that's nothing bad. I'm just an observation. I'm just gonna do what I normally do, take my beauty blender and just blend all of that in. Blend it out okay. Now the coverage I would say is like sheer to medium, maybe more medium. Yeah, I feel like that's definitely more, like it doesn't actually say what type of coverage it gives, does it? Well, you know what, like I don't hate it. The real test will be under my eyes and like on my acne scars, so we will see. To set that in place, now I did get a contouring blush and bronzing powder, which comes in a packet like this. I might just use this to lightly set down my eyes and just get a little bit of color. Okay, I might just take the bronzing powder. I'm actually just going to use that over my whole eyelid, just very lightly, just so the concealer doesn't crease. Then I will actually go in with a blending brush and just take that bronzing powder. There's a lot of kickback, which is, it doesn't normally bother me, but it is in this. So I'm just going to use that like an eyeshadow and just blend that through my crease just to give a little bit of colour, as I didn't get an eyeshadow palette. Okay, I don't want to do anything else on the eyes because I do want to do eyeliner. So I got the e.l.f. Expert Liquid Liner in the shade Jet Black. Starters, I hate eyeliners like this. I cannot use them to save my life. I find that the felt tip liners are so much easier to use, but I will give it a go. Might not be the best representation of how this liner works, but we will see. Okay, so I'm just going to do a wing like I normally do. Be right back. Okay, that one went okay. Not the greatest one I've ever done, but it's actually not too hard to use. Well, let me do the other eye first and we will see if I say the same thing. They are like on completely different planets. Oh my gosh, that one's alright, but this one, I don't know what happened. Okay, look, this is not bad. The true test with eyeliner is always how it lasts on you throughout the day, like if it's going to transfer, if it's going to smudge or wear away. So I feel like any eyeliner is always going to be good when you use it, but it's always how it lasts throughout the day which determines whether it's a good eyeliner or a bad eyeliner. So at this stage, I'm undecided. I will say that I do not like this way of applying eyeliner, which I mentioned before, but so far so good. I just cannot use these things to save my life, so that's why it doesn't look very good. Next, I will pop on some mascara. So I'm taking the Length and Volume Black Mascara. Mascara's always freaked me out a little bit when I'm trying a new one because my eyes are so sensitive. So, oh, that's a really small, it is a really small wand, but I don't know if you can like see how small it is. Like it's like the size of my finger. Let's see how it goes. Do you know what? I actually really do like this mascara. I don't think it lives up to its name, Length and Volume. I don't think it gives any volume at all, really. But it does give really nice length. So, you know what? I really enjoy this mascara. Again, we'll see how it wears. Make sure it doesn't smudge on me. But so far, this one's actually all right. Okay, so onto the face. I have got the e.l.f. Acne Fighting Foundation. They did not have any testers for foundation colors, so I've literally opened it. Can you see all the stuff around the top? That means someone's used it. Like, look at that. I don't mean to be dramatic, but I just don't like the idea of putting a used foundation on my face. Oh well, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna blend it out with a sponge. Okay. Wait, what does this foundation do? Okay, I'm confused. It says directions. Cleanse the skin thoroughly before applying medication. Cover the affected area with a thin layer 1 to 3 times daily. Is this not a foundation? It says Acne Fighting Foundation. But what confuses me is you have to apply medication. Okay, I'm sorry, but why does this look so good? Oh wait, just wait for me to put some color back in my face. Everyone calm down. Let me just zoom. Okay, that's as far as it's gonna zoom for me. Can you see just how smooth that has made my skin look? I'm literally glowing. Okay, it's probably like all the bright lights, but oh my goodness. Just so we can see how the face looks a bit better, I'll put some concealer on, which is, I think, darker than my foundation. So on a daily basis, I will wear the Clinique Beyond Perfecting, the Clinique Even Better Refresh, or I have been actually trying out the Estee Lauder Double Wear lately as well, and they are like my top 3. Okay, I don't want to jump the gun here, but this looks like Double Wear. That is insane. Next up, let's do brows. Okay, so I have got the e.l.f. Brow Pencil. I got the shade Neutral Brown. So it comes with a spoolie on one end. And then, is it a crown or a pencil? It's a crown. Okay, now, you've probably all seen my previous videos, and I haven't really been a fan of like brow pencils or crowns. This, I don't know what it is, but this is better than Benefit. Oh my gosh, I'm feeling myself. Okay, I'm just gonna finish off the bottom of the eyes, so I'll pop a little bit of that mascara back on. Now, moving on to the rest of the face. I am just going to take a big fluffy blending brush. I'm going to take the bronzing shade and I'm just going to use that to bronze up okay, that bronzer is so pretty. It's just so blendable. Blush. So I'm going to take the other color in the palette there. I'll just take that on my Makeup Max blush brush. Oh, I like that color. What is happening? I did not expect to like any of the stuff that I was using. Okay, moving on though. This is probably the product that intrigues me the most. So this is the e.l.f. Jelly Highlighter. I assume that means in the shade Cloud. I assume, I'm not too sure. It says, use alone or mix a small amount into foundation for a dewy glow. Okay, so it comes like a little pot. I have noticed though, when you play around with it, can you see how it's like it's actual jelly? Okay, I'm just gonna rub some on the back of my... You guys. I'm dead. Honestly, kill me now. Okay, but cream products never work on my skin. I'm just gonna literally dive in. I've got way too much. Cool. Okay, what the heck? I thought this wasn't gonna work because I'd put powders on my face, but it literally is blending like a dream. Okay, put it on my nose. I'm just confused as to why all of this is so good. Okay, I need to finish this makeup so then I can go back and review everything. And then the last thing I got was the matte lip color in the shade Praline. Again, no testers in KMART, so I couldn't see the colors. It just seems like a nice pinky nude shade. It just is kind of like the brow pencil where you just twist it up. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply this. Okay, as I was putting the lipstick on, it is a matte formula. I don't like mattes, however, there's nothing wrong with it. Like, it's just a simple matte lipstick, which has done nothing wrong to me, has done nothing to offend me. I just am not a matte lipstick person, but I do like the color and I will use it again. So I'd say that's a win-win. But the thing I liked the least was probably the eyeliner. And that's also due to personal reasons from not liking that style of applicator. But to run through it all, there's honestly nothing that I won't use again, which leaves me shook. I'm not even kidding. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. I hope you've really enjoyed this video and picked up a few little bargains for yourself as well, because I am honestly shook to the core. But if you did enjoy this video, please give it a like and also subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!